we've got a sneak preview of the 1992 Bonneville SSEi. It's impressing a lot of people with its traction control, dual inflatable restraints, supercharged V6, and lots more.
Question: what did the Chicago Auto Show, held in February, have that the January Detroit Auto Show didn't? Answer: the new 1992 Pontiac Bonneville SSEi. Set for release later this year, this one's got everybody excited. And while all of the information on the car has yet to be released, here's a partial list of its features. A sleek, low coefficient of drag of 0.305. A 195 horsepower supercharged V6 power plant. Remote keyless entry. A pass-through trunk feature. A 4T60E 4-speed transaxle. Thermoplastic body components. Dual front seat airbags. ABS brakes. And electronic steering, just to name a few of the more impressive features.